Hi everyone! So ayan, for today's video, i-review natin tong application na to. So andito ako ngayon sa main dashboard niya. So welcome niya tayo and i-click lang natin yung confirm. Ito nga pala si Cash Video Earn Real Money. So after natin that, so slide up to find the video want to watch. Yun yung sabi niya dito. Ayan. So dito naman, yung welcome bonus natin, magkakaroon daw tayo ng 5,000. So i-claim lang natin. Review lamang po ito ha, hindi ko pa sure kung legit ba siya or hindi. And dito, tap muna natin tong cash out. So dito, ayan, and earn points on the phone. 3 hours, get dollar. Cash point convert every 3 hours. Earn points, so pwede natin siyang matransfer yung ating mag-gain dito na coins into PayPal wallet. So, kailangan natin siyang i-enable. Ito, allow lang muna sa akin. So, dito makikita natin next update every 3 hours. Ayan. So, check muna natin yung cash out. So, not enough balance pa daw po para tayo ay makapag-withdraw sa application na ito. Explore muna natin yung apps. Ayan, kailangan daw talaga natin i-open. And then, dito naman, sa kaka-download ko lang, meron siyang 500 downloads. So, what's new? Dito natin, i-check natin dito. So, na-release ang application na to by this year at July 31, 2026. Nag-update naman siya ng August 10, 2026. So, ibig sabihin, bago pa lang po tong application na to. So, wala pa tayong makikita dito na review or rating sa application na ito. But, i-check muna natin tong tools nila dito. Ayan, so meron tayo dito makikita na watch videos and gain cash. So, pwede tayo makapag-withdraw via PayPal. So, ayan, kailangan lang natin manood ng mga videos para tayo ay makapag-earn ng coins para ma-withdraw natin. So, complete the task and earn money. So, meron din daw pala dito mga laro or games na pwede natin pagpipilian para tayo ay kumita. So, yun, balik tayo sa ating application. So, tayo ay babalik dito. So, meaning, kailangan nating mag-ipon dito ng 5,000 to 50,000 points para tayo ay makapag-withdraw. So, dito, ayan, day 1 daily check-in natin. So, meron tayong 1,000 and then, kung gusto natin siya mag-times 2, claim natin ng extra. Watch video para tayo ay makapag-claim. So, claim reward muna. Ayun, nakuha na natin yung ating coins. So, ayan, collect pa tayo. So, submit daw. So, hindi muna tayo mag 5 star. And, dito naman, so, second ways of earnings, i-flip daw natin yung card. So, click natin. So, 8, 4, ayan, so 48, give up and claim natin. Ayan, may add. Ayun, meron na tayong 6,048 points. And so, itong next, ay wala. Watch the videos daw to earn points. And meron dito mga games na kailangan natin. I-claim natin tong check-in today. Claim extra. Ayun, meron na tayong 8,048 points. And watch another video to get extra 1,000. So, claim ulit. So, task today complete na tayo. So, ayan, 2 videos na lang and pwede na daw tayo makapag-collect ng points. So, where? Watch more video to coins. So, nagre-reset siya every 30 minutes. So, price to win. Ayan, dito pala natin makikita. And pwede din tayo makapag-earn dito via watching this. Pero wala tayong videos. So, hanap tayo dito. How can we earn a coins again? Scratch to win.
Literally nobody talks about Apple Watch, but luckily you have me and I'm going to teach you some things. So you know, typically if you lose your phone, you can just go to your watch and... But better yet, we go to our camera app, right there, and launch it. We can now see that my dog installed my phone. He's in so much trouble. On a serious note, this is a great way to find your phone because it can give you an actual visual hint to where it is. And aside from finding your phone, this is also a great way.
Also a great way to take photos back or videos and be able to see yourself. Instead of pressing and holding your screen to switch your watch face, go into settings, scroll down to clock, and toggle on swipe to switch watch face. Now instead of pressing and holding, you can
Balik
just
tayo ulit.
swipe.